So guys, currently outside is -32 plus wind chill factor. So it's definitely a great time to be in the garage. So guys, I think the first things first, we take these water tanks off. That should give me some access to get these two hoses here off, and I think there's two more underneath. And then after that, I think it's only bolted here, one over here, and two the same on the other side, and this literally should split apart. I don't think there's very much more holding it together than that. I would probably a couple of safety straps. So we'll try and get this piece off here first. Go from there. So those two were the easy ones. In here, right up underneath this tank, you can see them. There's two in there. A couple of ratchet wrenches should do the trick though. Why wouldn't they stay the same size? Okay, we get that tank off. I haven't noticed when I actually tried to show you guys these bolts that these were actually slide channels. Then it's a very simple tank system. Just goes into one water line, down to a T in here. One feeds back to the back roller, and then there's another line that runs to the front roller. Like I said, very simple system. And if I take off these two lines here and these two lines, realistically, that's the only thing connecting them other than a water line. So we'll get those hoses popped off. So I decided to take these off from up here. Definitely a little easier to get at. Right here. And then one in here. So these two lines here, they control the vibrate. Those other two lines look like they are actually the feed for the power on the rollers, so that her actual drive motors. Looks like we got two of those. Great. And those should just slide down through. We're going. And these two, I should take these off from up here as well, because I can't even see where the other ends are. And I'm thinking that the other ends might actually be in that asphalt that's there. So yeah, these are definitely easier. As I said, I can't even see what's on the bottom for these. But I do have to say, most of this stuff on this machine is pretty accessible. So yeah, with those two out, it should really be 4 bolts and probably a couple of small straps, and this will come out. Unfortunately for tonight, my bigger sockets to take the bolts out of the isolators are in my service truck. And my service truck is currently not here. It's actually with one of my guys. So I think maybe we'll pop that lever off, see if we can get that reset. Okay guys, I'm ready to take this apart. I got my sockets back from my service truck, so I'm going to start in on taking this, separating these. So right now I do have my engine hoist hooked up just to take some weight from the top as I take these rubber bumpers off. So it should just be these 4 bolts in here, and then there's safety straps in here, which should have 1 bolt each. So I'm going to set you up and let you watch we take her apart. That's one. Let's see how this goes. These are actually coming out a lot easier than I expected. Now I do know that the engine hoist will lift it because it's after lifting the whole machine. As you can tell. I don't see anything else holding that. Oh. Okay, the safety straps up front. Forgot to let this go. Okay. At this point, we're extremely off balance. Okay guys, I had to readjust the reading. As you've seen, she was way off balance. I think this will work. I just wrap the strap the handle through the lift eye and up. It is all unbolted, ready to go. Let's watch the show. We're going up. Okay guys, this is the view we just lifted up. I did break off that T that connects the water line. It looks like it was very brittle, so I'm okay with that. But I'll get this section moved off and we'll have a look at what's underneath the drums. Okay guys, this is with the top section removed. I'm not 100% sure this is going to give me the access I was looking for. But we'll see. I'll get this vibrator drum out, and we'll see then if we can get the access. I think I can see some of the asphalt here, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, that one might need a bit of heat. Yep, definitely didn't give me the access I was hoping for. So I was hoping that this was going to give me access down to here, where all this asphalt is. But unfortunately, no. But I will get all this dirt in there cleaned out of here. At least that's something. But I guess we got to go a little more in depth and take the drums off. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like what you see. It's definitely going to be a little interesting when we get to see what is actually jamming up the roller. Stay tuned for the next episode for that. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Really helps out the channel. And it's felt really good to get back to recording again. As always, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.